very pleasant morning to everyone. To our dear DTI Undersecretary, Madam Carol Sanchez, to the Department of Agriculture Director Julie Bert de Sagon, officials from the diplomatic community, our partners in government, especially from the Department of Agriculture, the Tourism Promotions Board, our partner LGUs, and the Department of Trade and Industry, regional offices and provincial offices. Those in the private sector, our major bronze sponsors, Bacon Philippines, BDO Unibank, Crystal Exports, McCormick Philippines, and most especially the Philippine Exporters Confederation.